Okay, here we're building trails at night. We got lights set up on our welding rig. Kind of tough to see, but we got lights on the tractor. Still got two more to get mounted on there, but we'll get to it eventually. The welding rig, we got, can't see it real well, but those two lights shining back, and we've got one off each side, and we've got this pickup set up with the lights. Yeah, kind of light the whole world up. So got two welders running. These guys are there we go. These guys are welding rails in to the backside of a feed bunk right now. So almost done with that, and we'll go on putting rails in the rest of the fence. So just a short video, kind of update what we're doing, working at night. So have a good one.